So in this case here, you have 12 cells. That's your A1. Oops. And then every hour, each cell multiplies by 7. Okay. So when you do a problem like this, okay, every hour each cell multiplies by 7, your rate is 7, and your N, okay, is going to be 6 hours. Now, you have 12 cells on the test. I'm going to adjust this problem. I'm going to say you have 12 cells after 1 hour. So it's not going to be a starting point. Okay, you have 12 cells after 1 hour is what I'm going to go with. Every hour, each cell multiplies by 7. So the first hour, I have 12 cells. Then, every additional hour, they multiply by 7. So that means each of these 12 cells, each one, multiplies by another 7. So essentially, I'd have 84 cells in addition to my initial 12 cells. So you have your initial 12 cells. Each individual cell multiplies by 7. So each cell represents another 7 cells. So the formula being this, if I want to get the total amount of cells after 6 hours, it's A1, 1 minus R to the N, over 1 minus R. And we're literally just plugging it into a formula. So, after 6 hours, my A1 was 12. 1 minus 7 to the 6th power over 1 minus 7. And that's what you're putting in your calculator. I would go in this order. I would do 1 minus 7 to the 6th. So 1 minus 7 to the 6th power, it's going to be a pretty high number, negative 117,648, divided by a negative 6, and that'll turn it back positive. So we divide by a negative 6, we get 12 times 19,608. And I multiply that number by 12. So there are now 235,296 cells. My A1 for an arithmetic, and this will be arithmetic, my A1 is 32. Each row has 4 more seats than the previous row. So my D would be 4. My N is 25. I need to know how many rows are in for that A25 so I can do a series. So to do that, I need to first start with my A to the N, A1 times N minus 1 times D. So A to the N equals 32 plus 4 minus 1 times 4. Oops, I'm sorry. Not 4 minus 1, my fault. We're talking about row 25 here. 25 minus 1.
From Google Plus.
All right, sorry about the interruption. So, A25 is going to be 32 plus 24 times 4. A25, 32 plus 96. So the A25 is going to be 128. So this is the information necessary for the sum. So my series, I'm going to do S of 25 is equal to 25 over 2 times 32 plus 128. $25 over 2, 32 and 128 is 160. 160 divided by 2 is 80. So 25 times 80, I'll probably go to my calculator for that. 25 times 80, we get 2,000. So this theater would have 2,000 seats in it total. And that's your answer.